Hello. I am delighted to invite you to a really unique meditation workshop hosted in the incredibly serene and luxurious setting of the River House. My name is Sarah Vie, and I am a luminary in the meditation and wellness industry. I'm a 2-time bestselling author with another book launching in the fall. And I am the host of my very own talk show in New York City called Living Abundantly with Sarah Vie. So I wanted just to hop on here with you virtually and just explain to you what this workshop is all about. So this workshop that I have the incredible pleasure to host is designed to help you tap into transformative power with meditation and manifestation, almost guiding you towards a more fulfilling and abundant life. Meditation has not just changed my life, but saved my life. I want to share this experience with you. So if you can, join us here on September 13th and 15th, and we will explore the art of mindfulness and intention setting, all while surrounded in the incredibly stunning ambiance of the River House. And during our time together, I will guide you through guided meditations and practical exercises that will empower you to release limiting beliefs, and don't we all have them, and align with your energy of your deepest desires. So whether you are seeking personal growth, whether you are trying to relieve some of that daily stress, or you want to get clarity in your life's direction, this workshop offers something for everyone. So I hope that you take the opportunity to invest in yourself and manifest your dreams in a peaceful and nurturing environment. I cannot wait to meet you and share this transformative experience with you. Thank you so much.